Lions can sleep for up to 20 hours a day. Most of their time is spent resting, while they only actively hunt during the evening. Dolphins are one of the few animals that can recognize themselves in a mirror, a sign of high intelligence. Pigs are considered smarter than dogs and can learn a wide range of tricks and tasks with proper training. Otters have the densest fur of any animal. This helps them stay warm in cold waters and stay afloat while they float on their backs. Butterflies taste their food using sensors on their feet. When they land on a plant, they can immediately sense whether it's edible. Cheetahs have specialized pads on their feet that help them grip the ground at high speeds. They also have a long tail for balance. Turtles can live without food for several months, using their fat stores to survive, especially in colder temperatures. Chimpanzees can learn sign language and use it to communicate with humans and other animals. Whales communicate with each other using complex songs, which can travel for miles underwater and help them communicate over long distances. Lemurs have a gland near their wrists that they use to mark their territory with a strong, musky scent. Meerkats have a sentinel system where one member of the group keeps watch for predators while the others forage for food. Baboons can live in groups of 100 or more individuals, all with a strict social hierarchy where each individual knows their place. Frogs are born as tadpoles, and some species can even grow legs while still in their aquatic form before fully transitioning into adults. Pandas eat 26 to 84 pounds of bamboo a day, and they spend about 10 to 16 hours each day eating to sustain themselves. Moles are excellent diggers, using their large, strong front paws to tunnel through the ground and search for insects and worms. Sloths can survive on a diet of leaves, which are low in nutrition. Their slow metabolism helps them make the most out of their food. Cows have 32 teeth, but they don't have upper front teeth. Instead, they use their strong lower teeth to grind their food. Elephants are incredibly emotional animals and can display signs of joy, grief, and even empathy toward each other. Crows are so intelligent that they can plan for the future, understand cause and effect, and even use tools to get food. Giraffes are taller than most trees, with their average height ranging from 16 to 18 feet. Their long necks help them feed on tall trees. Seahorses mate for life, and males even carry the eggs in a pouch until they hatch, giving birth to tiny seahorses. Porcupines use their sharp quills to defend themselves against predators. If a predator gets too close, the porcupine will lash out with its tail. Hummingbirds consume more than their body weight in food each day, feeding on nectar and insects to fuel their energetic flying. Penguins are excellent parents. After the female lays the eggs, the male incubates them while the female goes out to hunt. Leopards are strong climbers and often drag their kills up into trees to keep them safe from scavengers and other predators. Hippos spend most of their time submerged in water to keep their large bodies cool in the hot African sun. Rats are not only clean, but they're also incredibly social. They form bonds with one another and even exhibit empathy toward other rats. Ants are capable of organizing complex structures, working together to build intricate tunnels and colonies with multiple chambers. Horses have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and have played important roles in transportation, agriculture, and even warfare. Lions are the only big cats that live in groups, or prides. They often work together to hunt and protect their territory. Octopuses are colorblind, but can change the color and texture of their skin to blend into their surroundings. Sea lions are excellent swimmers and can dive as deep as 900 feet in search of food, but they also enjoy lounging on land to rest. Owls can fly silently due to their specialized wing feathers, which reduce noise during flight. Beavers are nature's engineers. They build dams that can change the flow of rivers, creating entire ecosystems for other species. Giraffes have large hearts, around 25 pounds, necessary to pump blood to their long necks. Bison are great swimmers and can cross rivers that are up to half a mile wide. Bald eagles have the largest nests of any bird species, with some nests reaching up to 10 feet in diameter and weighing over 2,000 pounds. Starfish can regenerate lost arms, and in some cases can grow back their entire body from just one arm and part of the central disc. Leopards have incredibly powerful jaws and can carry prey that weighs up to twice their body weight up a tree to avoid scavengers. Frogs have excellent hearing and can detect sounds at frequencies that humans can't hear, helping them avoid predators. Snakes do not have eyelids. Instead, they have a transparent scale that covers their eyes, which they shed regularly. Elephants can recognize themselves in mirrors, which is a sign of advanced cognitive abilities. They are one of the few animals capable of self-recognition. Giraffes have purple tongues, which help protect them from sunburn while feeding on the tall, thorny trees of Africa. Hawks can see a rabbit from over a mile away, thanks to their sharp vision, which is 5 times stronger than that of humans. Cows have been shown to have a strong sense of smell and can recognize different people, other cows, and even other animals by scent. Honeybees can communicate the location of flowers through a waggle dance, which tells other bees where to find the nectar. Pufferfish inflate to an enormous size when threatened. They also contain toxins that make them dangerous to eat for most predators. Whales have the longest migrations of any animal, with some species traveling up to 10,000 miles from the Arctic to the tropics. Chameleons can change their color to communicate, express emotions, or regulate their body temperature, rather than for camouflage alone. Wolves have a high-pitched howl that can travel for miles. They use it to communicate with pack members and to mark their territory. Sloths have long, curved claws that they use to hang upside down from tree branches. Their claws are so strong that they can hold on to branches even after death. Kangaroos have strong, muscular hind legs that allow them to jump long distances, and their tails help them balance while hopping. Crocodiles can hold their breath for an impressive 1 to 2 hours underwater, allowing them to sneak up on prey or avoid danger. Arctic foxes can change the color of their fur from white to brown or gray to blend in with the changing seasons and camouflage from predators. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to comment which animal fact you liked most.